nice view, huh?
Who doesn't want to ride with that?
Right? Alright, so we have so far this sort of 4th mile, and we pressed the button late, so we already ran probably like 8 miles. But we're gonna document the ending, and I'm gonna publish the map and all the miles that I rode today with no L. And yeah, you guys have to run the bike park here in Longitude. Look at that. Look at that view, man. Yeah. So, next time join us. Right, Noel?
Yeah, let's ride it.
When I'm on the sand, lost to sleep, and now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days. When I'm on the sand, lost to sleep, and now we're stressed out. We're stressed out. Sometimes a certain smell would take me back to when I was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it, probably only sell one. But you see my brother, cause we have the same nose, same clothes, homegrown as stone soul from Greek we used to roll. But it woke me minus up and nothing really mattered. Out of student loans, if we at home, we always take the ladder.